Hello, friends. Let's learn English with a short and fun story about Melissa. A spring picnic in the park. It was Monday, but there were no classes. Yesterday was Easter, so today was a holiday. The sun was shining, the sky was blue, and the grass in the park was green. Little yellow dandelions grew here and there. It was a perfect spring day. Melissa and her new friends planned a picnic in the park. They wanted something special, so they chose a retro style for the day. All the girls wore long spring dresses and pretty hats. It felt like a scene from an old movie. Each girl brought a basket with delicious food. Inside were fruits, cheese, olives, fresh bread, and orange juice. They also had small flower bouquets with spring flowers. Melissa's basket had apples, strawberries, and a soft blue blanket. They found a quiet place in Central Park and sat down on the grass. Around them, there were other people enjoying the holiday, but the park was peaceful. High in the trees, birds were singing. Their songs made everything feel even more magical. The girls started with a fun photo session. They laughed, posed, and took pictures together. Then they made sandwiches, poured juice into cups, and shared fruit and cheese on pretty plates. They talked about their classes, favorite movies, and dreams for the summer. Melissa looked around and smiled. The sun felt warm, the food tasted good, and the friendship felt real. She was happy to spend time with such lovely girls. After the picnic, they slowly packed their things and took a walk through the park. Melissa felt calm, light, and full of joy. That evening, when she returned to the dorm, she still felt the magic of the day. It was more than just a picnic. It was a beautiful spring memory that she would always keep in her heart. Thanks for watching. If you liked the story, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.